Welcome back to our channel One to Step, where we post tutorial video. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can find recently added friends on Snapchat. So recently added friends means basically if you add someone in Snapchat, that's called recently added friend, alright? So whoever you just added like in the recent time period, that is called recently added friend. Let me show you how you guys can see it. And before I show you the step, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. Now to find your recently added friends on Snapchat, you want to click on your profile picture at the top left corner of your screen. Now once you click on your profile picture, you want to scroll a bit down and click on this option called My Friends. Now once you click on My Friends, at the top right you can see this little three dot. Click on the three dot and click on where it says recently added by me. Once you click on recently added by me, all of my friend which I have recently added is going to be shown over here. So the recently added friend is Abhinav Timla, and before Abhinav I added Shin. Before Shin I added Badal Oli, just like this. The top person is a recently added person, whereas the bottom is the person which was added years and years ago. So basically I recently added Abhinav, then Shin, then Badal, then Vaibhav, and just like this. The more down I go, the more older friends I have, alright? So that's basically how you guys can find recently added friends on Snapchat. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I will see you guys next time.